Ain't working out for y'all, huh?
Mars is the god of war, right?
Planet 2.
Well, I know it's a planet, but the clue is Greek god of war.
Ares. Greeks called him Ares. Same dude, different name is all.
Ares fits. Thanks.
It's all good. See, back in middle school and all, I used to love them myths. Stuff was deep. Truly.
You're welcome.
State calls Omar Little, Your Honor.
Faggot.
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Surely do.
State your name for the record.
Omar Devon Little.
Mr. Little, how old are you?
About 29, thereabout.
And where do you live?
No place in particular, ma'am.
You're homeless?
And the wind, so to speak.
And what is your occupation?
Occupation.
What exactly do you do for a living, Mr. Little?
I rip and run.
I
robs drug dealers.
And exactly how long has this been your occupation, Mr. Little?
Oh, I don't know exactly. I've been to say maybe about 8 or 9 years.
Mr. Little, how does a man rob drug dealers for 8 or 9 years and live to tell about it?
Day to time, I suppose.